Nowadays, there are so many things that help us to fight COVID-19, such as masks, hand washing, sanitizer, vaccines, social distancing, and so on. That today I'm going to share with you 2 acupuncture exercises to keep your lungs healthy. Stay tuned! Hi, welcome to Health Tips with Serpina. COVID-19 has been with us more than 18 months now. Vaccines have been used for more than 8 months, and 70% of the British population is now fully vaccinated. However, as all you know, the Delta variant suddenly became serious. So, despite some normality appearing, even you have been vaccinated, you still need to be vigilant. Following last week's abdominal breathing exercise, today I'm going to show you 2 acupuncture exercises to help your lungs functions and improve their immunity.
Nourishing the lungs is essential for a healthy life and is of great importance to the human body. The lungs have 3 main functions. The first is ventilation. As we breathe, natural air passes through the trachea, absorbing natural oxygen and discharging carbon dioxide. The second is ventilation and circulation. Natural oxygen is drawn into the lungs, where it enters our blood circulation via the alveoli, which carry out a gas exchange, turning the air into oxygen, which the lungs ingest and send around the bloodstream via the capillaries and larger blood vessels. The carbon dioxide is exhaled back into the atmosphere. In addition, the lungs are able to continuously transport the body's water vapor downwards through the kidney and bladder to form urine, which is then excreted from the body. Finally, the lungs improve immunity and internal functions. So what symptoms can you have with unhealthy lungs? Well, there are many. Intolerance to cold wind, sweating, a dry throat, coughs, allergic rhinitis, a dry skin susceptible to allergies, shortness of breath, lethargy, chest pain, a pale face, and so on.
Okay, now let's find these 2 acupuncture points. First, the human point. The human point is in the depression of your subclavian fossa. If you put your hands on your hips, the triangular depression below the inner end of your clavicle is the human point. Here, there are 2 ways to do the exercises. Method 1. Tap the human points with the hollow palms or hollow fists like this. You do it with one hand on one side, and then you tap it with the other. First, you do left. You tap 100 times. And then you do right. You tap 100 times. Method 2. You can also tap your hands alternately, like this. Tap each of 2 human points 100 times a day, like this. You can do it when you stand up or you sit down. Don't do too hard. Tapping the human points can supplement lungs qi and open the respiratory tract. When doing this, some people can feel their throat become itching or want to cough. They are normal phenomena. It just means that your meridians are becoming effectively drugged. The second, the chisel point. The chisel point is on the thumb side of your arm by you bend elbow where the line crosses near the lateral depression. Here. With hollow palm, pat this point 100 times each side. which is also good for coughs, asthmas, and sore throats. Again, nourishing the heart and protecting the lungs. Good lung protection really can improve immunity, strengthen the body, and help it to resist viruses, including COVID-19. So, what was doing? That's it for this time. Please pass these tips on to family and friends, and let's see more people benefit. By the way, if you subscribe my channel, ring the bell, and then you won't miss any of my health tips information. Many thanks, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.